Welcome to Review Mobile, your trusted source for the latest smartphone insights. Today, we're diving into Samsung's flagship marvel of 2025, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. With cutting-edge upgrades in design, camera, and performance, this device is redefining what a premium smartphone can offer. Design and display, sleek powerhouse. The Galaxy S25 Ultra features a refined, futuristic design with aerospace-grade titanium edges and a near-bezel-less 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display. The 144Hz refresh rate and 2K resolution ensure an ultra-smooth, crystal-clear viewing experience. With Gorilla Glass armor protection and IP68 rating, it's both stunning and durable. Camera, a photographer's dream. Samsung has taken mobile photography to the next level. The S25 Ultra boasts a quad-camera setup, headlined by a 200-megapixels primary sensor, a 50-megapixels ultra-wide, and two telephoto lenses 5x and 10x optical zoom. The AI Nitography 3.0 and 16K video recording push the limits of mobile imaging, delivering studio-level results right from your pocket. Performance, unmatched speed. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, paired with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB UFS 4.0 storage. Whether it's gaming, multitasking, or video editing, this device handles it all effortlessly. The improved vapor chamber cooling keeps performance steady under pressure. Battery and charging, all-day power. Packing a 5,500 mAh battery, the S25 Ultra supports 65W wired charging, 50W wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging. Samsung's AI power management ensures optimal battery life, easily lasting a full day of heavy use. Software and features, smarter than ever. Running on One UI 7.1 based on Android 15, the user experience is smarter and smoother than ever. AI-enhanced features like Smart Call Assist, AI Photo Remaster, and real-time translation make daily tasks more seamless. Samsung Knox ensures top-tier security for personal and professional use. Conclusion: the Ultra King of 2025. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is a true flagship that balances performance, design, and innovation. It's not just an upgrade, it's a bold leap into the future of mobile technology. For those who demand the best, this is the smartphone to beat in 2025. Would you like titles, hashtags, or description for this script as well?